In today's video, I'm going to show you FixaPro Scratch Remover review. Does it work or scam? FixaPro Scratch Remover is a real product, not an outright scam in the sense that it doesn't ship or doesn't exist. People do receive the item, typically a small bottle of compound and an applicator when they buy it online. However, there are a lot of misleading claims around what it actually does and how effective it is. Independent testers who tried FixaPro found that it doesn't magically erase deep scratches on car paint the way some ads imply. On very light surface marks, swirl marks, and minor scuffs, it can make the area look a bit smoother and shinier, similar to a mild polish. On deeper scratches that go through the clear coat or paint, it doesn't remove them at all, and rubbing too hard can even create uneven finish or dull spots by thinning the clear coat. Most experts and reviewers agree the product is essentially a budget surface polish and cosmetic enhancer, not a repair tool. That matches user consensus for similar scratch remover items in car care communities. If the paint layer is gone, no simple cloth or polish will truly fix it. On the business side, some customer experience feedback is negative. Independent Trustpilot entries for the selling site show poor ratings, complaints about unexpected fees and shipping issues, and some buyers feeling misled by exaggerated claims. Scam Advisor also flags the retailer's site as very low trust with a hidden owner and minimal traffic, which are warning signs about reliability. Bottom line, FixaPro is not an outright scam, but it's overhyped and not the miracle scratch eraser many ads suggest. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.